Hi, I'm Alicia from Air Compressor Services in Greenville, South Carolina. Today we're going to show you how to change out a primary and secondary air filter on your rotary screw compressor. Air filters are the first line of defense against foreign contaminants that can decrease the life of your air compressor. Please note, before beginning any maintenance, always make sure to have your personal protective equipment. Now let's get started.
Materials needed to change these particular air filters are gloves, an adjustable wrench, a new primary air filter, a new secondary air filter, and lockout-tagout mechanism. Make sure your area is clear and free from hazards. Lockout-tagout is the first and most important part of safety protocol. Notice our technician during the process. As he locks out the handle, he uses his right hand and turns away to the left. This is to avoid a possible arc flash. He then checks to make sure the panel is locked securely. Check the control panel to verify the power is disconnected. The next safety step is to isolate the air system by turning the handle to the off position. Start by unscrewing the wing nut, holding the cover panel in place. Remove the wing nut and panel and place them both to the side. Using a wrench, loosen the bolt, holding the primary air filter in place. After removing the bolt, take the washer off and remove the used primary air filter. Follow the same process for the secondary air filter, using a wrench to loosen the bolt before removing it along with the washer and the secondary air filter. Now you're ready to install the new secondary air filter, being mindful that the threaded rod pokes through the end of the filter. Replace the washer and the bolt over the threaded rod. Hand tighten the bolt over the washer and finish tightening using a wrench to ensure a tight seal. The primary air filter can now be installed over the secondary air filter. Ensure the threaded rod is poking through the end of the filter, like before, and then replace the washer and bolt over the rod. Hand tighten the bolt over the washer, and then finish tightening using a wrench to ensure a tight seal. Finally, place the cover panel over the cylinder. Replace the washer and wing nut on the threaded rod, hand tightening the wing nut into place. Now that you have your air filter replaced, we need to safely power the unit back up. Slowly turn the air supply valve to the on position. Remove the lockout-tagout mechanism and, just like before, turn away as you power on the panel. Thanks for watching.